Ever pondered on what rains might look like on other planets? On Neptune and Uranus, it could be raining diamonds. That's right, not just a poetic metaphor, but a cosmic reality. These ice giants are believed to host storms of solid diamonds, thanks to their unique atmospheric composition. Intense heat and pressure within these planets transform carbon into dazzling diamonds that plummet like rain. Imagine that, a diamond shower. Yet the truth remains shrouded in mystery. Our current technology doesn't allow us to witness this spectacle firsthand. So, for now, we can only dream of these celestial diamond downpours. Intrigued? Stay tuned for more cosmic wonders.